In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to activate Emoji Suggestions on this device. So at first, enter the settings, then find and select additional settings, and now we reach languages and input. Here, go to manage keyboards. As Gboard is your default one, go to settings. Now pick text correction, and under suggestions you will notice show emoji suggestions. So unless it is active, just mark the indicator to turn it on. However, if you would like to get rid of this function, just unmark it. So it's up to you. But this is the place where you can turn it on or off. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.